Good evening everybody. Today we'll see how to fix Wi-Fi icon grayed out on iPhone. Because many iPhone users reported this issue in their iPhone, Wi-Fi icon showing grayed out. So guys, how to fix this issue if you are also facing the similar kind of this issue? So for that guy, first fix is just reboot your iPhone. So for reboot your iPhone, just press and hold the volume and side buttons simultaneously. Next, slide to power off. Turn off the phone and wait for 30 seconds. Then press the power button to complete the reboot process. Once the iPhone is on, just go to settings and just enable and disable airplane mode. Wait for a minute or two and disable airplane mode again. Try connecting to a Wi-Fi network again. So if you still face Wi-Fi grayed out issue, then just go for the next fix. For next fix, just reset network settings. So for that guy, just go to settings and just find general, just tap on it, and now just come down and just tap on transfer reset iPhone and just tap on reset, and now you can see reset network settings. Just tap on that. So guys, if you still face the same issue, Wi-Fi icon grayed out, then you can go to the next fix. Just update the iOS software. So for that, just go to general, just tap on it and go to software update. Just tap on it and you can see if you are getting notification to update that software. So for me, it's already updated guys. In your screen, if it's showing that please update, then you can go for update. After that, you can go and just check your Wi-Fi icon will appear. So guys, thanks for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it.